Hey YouTube, this is my 2005 Scion TC and I just did a major upgrade. I put this NRG Defender seat into it. So apparently a suspension seat, but there's no suspension. I guess it just must be the padding in it. It's a lot of padding and it's really comfortable. So I've done quite a few mods on this car. That's NRG quick release. That's a cheaper wheel, but it has a magnet on it for my phone. It'll stay level, and that's demonstrated in another video I have on YouTube. I could also use this wheel. That's a D-shape. I really like this wheel, but I need to extend the hub out by another 2 inches because this is not a deep dish wheel like that wheel. I can also use this formula wheel in this car if I want. It's just I don't usually do that. This is an NRG Defender bucket seat, side mounted, and I'll show you kind of what goes into putting one of those in. First of all, you don't need one of these. This is a net. And that's the only girl I have in this car, actually. Now you need one of these. All right, so this is the floor mount, floor bracket. I got on eBay, $32 for both of them. This place is liquidating their supply. So you need one of those. You need the seat sliders and the side mounts. I'll show you on the other side what those look like. Also, you need a 4 or 5 point harness, and this is the harness bar that you really need. This belt, the belts weren't really long enough to reach down to the bottom to bolt on. I'm sure there's ways to do it, but it looks really cool. It seems like this adds rigidity to the car, maybe not. So yeah, these are the side mounts. These are upgraded ones. They have an extra setting. They're a lot of adjustability. You want a proper seating position. The reason why this is so low in the back and higher in the front, you need to get this angle. So like under heavier braking, your legs are taking the load off your back. The reason why I got this isn't because it looks so cool. It's really just because it saves my back. But I have 2 Toyotas. This is the Scion TC. I have a ES300 Lexus also, and they both just kill my back. So yeah, seat slider goes on top of the bracket. Then the side mount goes on here, and you can put these on kind of in any order you want, whatever's easier for you, and it really isn't that hard of an install. So here's the NRG quick release. I'll set this camera up so you can see how I get in and out of the car, how easy it is, and what's the best feature about this 4-point harness. Pretty easy to get in and out of. It does slide forward and backwards. Yep, you don't have to reach behind you to get the belt anymore. The stock belt, it had to get deleted. It had to get deleted because it actually attaches to the seat. So I was like, oh, I kind of wanted to keep both of them because I thought this wasn't going to be quick enough to get in and out of. I'm a delivery driver, and I do between 10 to 30 deliveries in a day. A lot of getting in and out of the car, and you don't want to be slowed down by anything like this. So a lot of them, they are a lot more complicated to buckle, but this one works just like a normal seatbelt. So that's why I went with this. Yep, and it works best just to set it on this little lip here. That way it's easier to get in and out of. But yeah, this is the net. It works really well. I'm gonna do a few more mods. Let me know if you want to see them. One of them is I'm gonna put this lizard skin on top of this metal. It looks like Rhino liner, just not quite as hard. And it's really it helps with sound detonating. And this part here gets so hot from the transmission and exhaust that it'll burn your finger in the summer. So I think I'm going to do that mod very soon. The other mod is I want to extend this by another 2 inches because I have 2 other wheels that I want to use that aren't deep dish like this one, so I need to extend this out by 2 more inches. And these are my phone holders. This is a special one. It has a bearing so that the phone will stay level while the wheel is being turned. And this is another one, big magnet that I can fit a phone, 2 phones horizontally or vertically. And I also want to 3D print a cover for this automatic shifter. Yeah, it's an automatic. I know it looks like a race car, but it's not a race car. Not really what I'm going for. This is really just for comfort and yeah, so my back doesn't die and I'm not depressed or something. Well, anyways, click here or here if you want to see other videos on this car, previous ones and future ones. Thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this video. Subscribe for more. Thank you so much. It helps the channel grow, and hope to see you soon.
Tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo. Fight until you make